So, who broke it?
What?
The invisible coffee machine. I'm not mad. I just want to know.
Wait, I think I saw.
No, it wasn't you, Albert. Turns out, don't like me. Don't anger. What? Yeah, like, how do you know? How do you know it was broken? Because it's sitting right in front of us. Suspicious. If it matters. Caesar was the last one to touch it. What? I don't even use that stuff. Yeah, well, what are you using it for? I use a refrigerator handle for, remote.
So that's why I couldn't get to my pudding.
Okay.
Right, I like eating pudding.
Yeah. We get five. If we get this, I get this.
No! Who broke it? Well, you know what? Archer's been awfully quiet lately.
I've been talking non-stop. You know what, let's just see if it still works. I'm just gonna plug it in. See, it's fine.
Okay, that's it. Let's get him, fellas.
I need to only affect Rexy.
I don't know. I broke it. Burned my hand, but then I smashed it. If I take that 10 minutes from now, the Addy touched Dutton going insane. Yeah, I was getting a little chummy around here.
I think it still works. Ow.
I think I should go now.